2023 Nissan LEAF for the US market has been revealed and it got the updated looks. Inside, changes for the 2023 model include the new Nissan badge on the steering wheel and a new startup video on the instrument panel screen. This updated model will be available in two trims, LEAF S and LEAF SV+. Black cloth is standard on both trims, with grey finishers for LEAF S and gloss black finishers for the LEAF SV+. Premiere for the public will be at the New York Auto Show, and on-sale date will be in summer this year.